San Diego Crystal Pyramid, and it's about the homeless issue. And I want to thank them for, you can go to YouTube, it's called Small Acts of Kindness, and you can view it there. The name of the song is Jenny. Jenny never knew her dad, though she knew his name was Tom. And he died so many years ago of fighting in Vietnam. Jenny became a nurse, helping those who'd gone to war. She worked at the VA hospital on the second floor. Jenny always feared the homeless men on the street. She rolled up her car windows when they asked for funds to eat. Never looked them in the eye or heard their terrible blues. She knew that any fun she did would go for drugs or booze. Jenny wasn't heartless, she just couldn't stand the loser. She had a little sympathy for drug addicts and boozers. Jenny had a giving heart for those who stood on their feet. She could not comprehend how someone could give in to defeat. She met Frank at the hospital. They were married and had a boy. Life was filled with happiness, mutual love and joy. Sometimes she got a little jealous. She saw her father with his daughter. It made her think about her own death, how much sadness, loss it caused her. One day she saw a homeless man in a hospital bed. Although the man was still alive, he looked to be half dead. His eyes looked so familiar, so she looked the name on his chart. The old man was her father, right with a sinking heart. Jenny wasn't heartless, she just couldn't stand the loser. Had a little sympathy for drug addicts and boozers. Jenny had a giving heart for those who stood on their feet. She could not comprehend how someone could give in to defeat. Jenny asked her mom why she'd said her dad had died. Her mom said that was the truth. Since the war, he died inside. When he came back from the war, he couldn't fit into society. He spent each waking hour consumed in sobriety. The old man in the hospital died quietly as he slept. Jenny was at his bedside, held his hand as she wept. Buried in a veteran cemetery, only Jenny and her mom were there. There was no one else who seemed to know, or perhaps didn't care. Jenny wasn't heartless, she just couldn't stand the loser. Had a little sympathy for drug addicts and boozers. Jenny had a giving heart for those who stood on their feet. Could not comprehend how someone could give in to defeat. She still doesn't give money to the homeless men on the street. She does give them a coupon to get a bite to eat. At the shelter she has started for those whose lives are at